What is up, you guys? In today's video, I want to walk you through the top 5 woodworking projects that you can build that are profitable and you can sell this fall in 2025. Let's dive in. All right, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the podcast. As always, I'm your host, Zach Vaught. And if you don't know me, I started my woodworking business in my garage in 2017, had no idea what I was doing, ultimately scaled that business to over $75,000 per month and sold that business for multiple 6 figures and a profit in 2024. And so I've been helping people just like you do the same thing, grow their woodworking business, grow their custom furniture business for the last several years since 2022. This is episode number 437 on my podcast, Handmade Business Secrets podcast. And we have hundreds and hundreds of videos here on this channel focusing on the business principles that you need in order to be successful to start a great side hustle or go full time inside of your custom furniture or woodworking business. And so in today's video, I want to walk you through the top woodworking projects that you can sell this fall. So number 1 is charcuterie boards and serving trays. In the fall, there's more hosting than there has ever been all year long. We got Thanksgiving, we got Christmas, we got Halloween. In the fall in particular, people are always serving food and they're always together. So charcuterie boards, custom serving trays are always going to be a great option. And the more custom you can make them, so they get to pick the wood, they get to pick the size, they get to engrave it with, the Vaught family, established 2015, right? Whatever that might be, that's going to stand out in the marketplace and you're going to be able to capture some success with that, okay? And so that's number 1, charcuterie boards and serving trays. Number 2 are porch swings. As we roll into the fall and the weather goes from being blazing hot, I'm down in Texas, so it is super hot all the time during the summer. As soon as we get into the fall and we start waking up and it's in the 50s or in the 60s, I want to be outside, my friend. And so porch swings are always a great selling point, right? Especially when that weather starts to turn. Anything that can be outdoors, you're going to do well. Also, just this is a bonus one, any type of outdoor game like cornhole or anything like that is also going to do pretty good in the fall. But porch swings are huge. That's number 2. Number 3 is just seasonal decor. I don't know about you, but my wife is changing the decor in our home based on the seasons. Is it springtime? Is it summertime? Is it fall? Is it winter? Whatever it might be. And so anytime that you can focus on seasonal decor, capture that market, you're going to do well. That can be signage, that can be stuff by the front door or door hangers. It can be just about anything you want it to be. Do some research, find the products that are selling well, and then try to develop that and push it really hard in your local market and crush there. I already kind of mentioned outdoorsy things, but patio furniture is going to be huge. If you can build custom, unique patio furniture, you're going to win. Especially in the fall. People want to be outside. And the ways to win on this, by the way, also, is not just to build regular old wooden furniture that they got to sit on that's uncomfortable, but how can you go find a cushion supplier, find their sizes and their dimension, and build the furniture so that you can also use custom cushions to strap to the furniture that's going to be beautiful, it's going to be comfortable, and it's going to be washable. That's super, super, super important, right? So these are just a couple thoughts with patio furniture. Again, people want to be outside in the fall. It's beautiful. Before it gets too cold, you can absolutely capitalize on this, especially with holidays around the season. And lastly, and it's always going to be my number 1, if you've watched this channel at any point in time, this is what I built my business on that did, $3.5 million over the course of its life. And that is custom dining tables, benches, and chairs. I believe in this product so much because everybody needs one. There are going to be a lot of people that are buying the cheapest stuff they can from IKEA, or they're ordering it from wayfair.com, or they're going down to their local big box store and buying something cheap. But people that want a high quality, fully custom dining table set are usually able and willing to pay for it, which means that I can charge a substantial amount of money and it has utility, right? So everybody needs one. This is one of the things where I see a lot of people go wrong, is that they make stuff that's just like artistic. And I'm not against that. And there are a lot of successful people that have done that. But for me, I liked having a product that had really practical everyday utility, which means that people, when they're talking about wanting to build a custom table and they're talking about buying a custom table, in the back of their mind, they're already thinking like, hey, I'm going to use this every day. I'm going to see this every day. I want it to be great. Therefore, I'm willing to pay a little bit more for it to be great. And so that's where you need to make sure that you're using premium materials, get away from softwoods if you can, start using hardwoods. Find a hardwoods lumber supplier, offer full customization as far as stain colors or paints are concerned, customization as far as length and width and height. But one of the things that we recommend is always having kind of a standardized set of products to offer to your target audience so that they have a place to start from the creative process. we have this design, this design, this design, and within that, you can take this design and you can make it as long as you want. You can make it as wide as you want. Change the colors up completely, right? And that gives them a framework to build their customization around. And so if your business right now, let's say you're just starting out, one of the things that people don't understand and they don't realize, and I'm just trying to convince you guys of, is that for those of you that are building cutting boards or you're tinkering around with stuff that it's $50 every time you get a sale or $100 you get a sale, you can sell one dining table set, one, and it can be a $7,000 order. It can be a $5,000 order. It can be a $3,500 order. It might take you 20 to 30 hours to build the whole set. Caveat with that, we never built chairs. We tried one time and it was awful. So we decided we're not going to build chairs. We're just going to buy chairs unfinished and we're going to finish them to match our dining table sets. But we would assemble chairs, finish them to match, build a bench, build a table in about 20 to 30 labor hours, okay? Now, I didn't start there. It took me longer when I first started because I didn't know what the heck I was doing. But as you do it some, you get better at it, you get faster. And so this is my number one. This is going to help you reach your financial goals way faster, way easier. Also, by the way, instead of having 30 invoices, you've got one invoice. Okay, instead of having to deal with 30 complaints, you got one opportunity for somebody to be upset. Just from a simplicity standpoint, it's way better in my personal opinion. So with that, these are my top 5: charcuterie boards, serving trays, porch swings, seasonal decor, patio furniture, and dining tables. If you have not tapped into any one of these markets, I encourage you to give it a try. And so this is also, by the way, the greatest time of year to sell dining tables because people are thinking about sitting around a table at Thanksgiving and they're thinking about sitting around a table at Christmas, having Christmas dinner. So it's an incredible time to close a ton of sales. I'm going to share some screenshots as I talk here with you in the video of just what type of crazy sales we're seeing inside of the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. Guys that are just closing $30, $40, $50, $60, $70,000. One of our guys in the last 30 days, he's closed like $110,000 to $120,000 in sales across a couple of commercial deals that he got, but then also about all of his residential deals that he's getting with dining tables as well. So I can't preach it enough. I can't say it enough. You need to check this out. Okay, so resources for you. Free ebook, first link in the description below. It really outlines my journey of starting in my garage, not knowing anything about business, to $75,000 a month inside of my business with a team, showroom, 6,600 square foot shop, and me basically removed from the business. How did I get there? How did I do it? Well, I basically lined that out inside of this book. Check it out. It's totally free. We'll send it to you as you just put your name and email. Second is the Handmade Hero Academy program. If you're a brand newbie, if you're a brand newbie, check out the Handmade Hero Academy. It's going to walk you through how do I test products? How do I find products that resonate with the market? How do I find the ones that people want? Then it's going to show you how do I get videos and photos of it that really showcase my products in their best light, give me the best chance to sell them online. Then it's going to show you how to build a Shopify website so that you can actually build product pages and you can build a website and you can build a cohesive and beautiful brand, right? Then it's going to show you how to run ads and how to get traffic to your website. It is an incredible stepping stone for those of you that are just starting. Lastly is the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. If you're watching this and you are ready to take your woodworking business or custom furniture business to the next level, meaning $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 a month or beyond, I want to connect with you. I want to chat. I think that we could really help you do that. Just to touch on that again briefly, we are going to help you bolster up and beef up your product catalog so that you can reach more of the market, right? Instead of just having one table that you built and you don't have any other photos, we're going to help you build an entire catalog of products so that you can reach way more people in your marketplace. Number 2 is we're going to help run ads for you or teach you how to run ads so that you can start driving traffic, getting opportunities to talk to prospects, give out quotes, follow up with those prospects, and close deals, right? Again, if every deal is worth $3,000 to $5,000 to $7,000, you don't need a whole lot of those to completely revolutionize your business, right? It doesn't take a lot to really move the needle. And then lastly is we're going to coach you every step of the way. So if you are struggling or learning the sales and marketing side of things, we're going to be there to coach you. If you're struggling with getting stuff done in the shop and production, we're going to coach you there. If you're struggling with building a beautiful brand, we're going to help you there. Whatever it is that you're working on, we're there to walk alongside you and help make it as good as it can possibly be. So with that, as always, love and appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.